Hello, today we will guide you through how to getting started with QuickBooks Online for nonprofit. To begin, open QuickBooks Online and make sure you're on the main homepage. This is where you'll access the settings that allow you to tailor the system for nonprofit use. A few small changes here can make your records much easier to organize later, especially when you need to track programs, funds, or donor-related activity. Once you're in QuickBooks, look to the top right corner of the screen and click the Settings icon. This is the main control area for company-wide preferences and is where many important setup options are located. From the Settings menu, select Account and Settings. This will open the section where you can adjust the configuration of your QuickBooks account. For nonprofit organizations, these settings are especially useful because they help shape how information is categorized and displayed throughout the system. Next, click on Advanced. The Advanced section includes more detailed options that affect reporting and internal tracking. This is where you'll find tools that are often helpful for nonprofits needing more visibility into different activities or departments. In the Advanced area, look for the Categories section. Categories help you organize financial activity in a more meaningful way. This is particularly helpful if your nonprofit needs to separate transactions by program, event, or funding source. Now turn on Track Classes. Enabling classes allows you to classify transactions in a way that supports clearer reporting. Many nonprofits use classes to track specific programs or initiatives, so turning this on early can save time later when reviewing finances. After that, turn on Track Locations, and then click Save. Locations give you another layer of organization. Depending on how your nonprofit operates, this can be useful for tracking separate offices, service areas, or other divisions. Saving here ensures both tracking options are applied before moving on. Next, scroll down to the Other Preferences section. This part includes display and labeling options that can make QuickBooks feel more aligned with nonprofit terminology. In Other Preferences, click the Customer Label drop-down. By default, QuickBooks uses business-oriented language, but this label can be adjusted to better reflect nonprofit workflows. From the drop-down, select Donors. This change is simple, but it helps make the system more intuitive for nonprofit teams by replacing the standard customer label with a term that better fits donation-based relationships. Finally, click Save. That completes this initial nonprofit setup and updates your account preferences, so QuickBooks is better prepared for nonprofit bookkeeping. With these settings in place, your account will be more organized and easier to use as you continue setup.